Hi, in this video, we'll review how to give and ask for feedback on your OKRs within Gtmhub. OKRs encourage open and meaningful conversations among everyone in the company. Communicating what matters in a timely fashion is crucial for evaluating progress and guiding future improvements. To obtain the full benefits of OKRs, regular feedback is an important part of the OKR process. The feedback section helps users, managers, and their teams collaborate in an efficient way where everyone can ask for, give, or receive feedback from their colleagues. To ask for feedback within Gtmhub, simply head to People, then Feedback. Then on the left sidebar, select Request Feedback. There you can select the topic you want to give feedback about, or you can create a new topic. Select a due date for your feedback. Type the name of the person you need feedback from in the author field. You can then choose to include an additional note to provide more information why this feedback is needed. Type the name of the addressee in About. Choose whether the addressee should be able to see the feedback. Then finally, click on the Send Feedback Request button to send it. The requested feedback can be found under the All Feedback menu on the left sidebar. To send feedback proactively, you can go to the Give Feedback section. The steps to follow are almost the same as asking for feedback. When sending this feedback, first type the name of the person you'd like to send feedback about. Select a topic from the drop-down menu or create a new one by clicking the Create Topic button. Then, in the next section, write down your feedback. Gtmhub supports two types of feedback: direct, where both the person receiving the feedback and their manager will see this, or private, where only the direct manager of the addressee will see this feedback. Choose one of the options from the Visibility drop-down menu, then hit Send Feedback. In Gtmhub, feedback is categorized into topics, as it is mandatory that each piece of feedback belong to one of these topics. Everyone who has a Gtmhub account can create feedback topics. The Manage Topics screen, which is visible only for an admin in HCM user role, allow you to create topics and see all the feedback that has been given on that specific topic. To create a new feedback topic while on the Manage Topics screen, just hit the Add New Topics button in the top right. Give the topic a name and provide a short description. The Permissions section allows you to make the created feedback topic visible to everyone in the account, public, or to only one or more users, custom. Hit the Create button at the bottom and save your new feedback topic. The topic will now be visible to all users that have access to it. On this screen, there is also a list with all the topics that have been created in your account, who created them, their description, and if they are custom or public. Hit View All Feedback on this topic, and you will get more information about the topic, status, who it's about, who has submitted it, and who has requested the feedback. Statistics are also a useful part of this section and give a high-level overview for admins and HCM users of how the topic is used. Click on the topic subject to find more. Other than requesting and giving feedback, as well as managing topics, the feedback section offers some additional screens to help you manage this feedback. The dashboard area gives you quick access to your drafts, pending feedback requests, and received feedback. The direct feedback drafts section consists of unfinished and not yet submitted feedback. Also reminds you that it can be finished and sent to the respective people. The pending feedback requests area is a reminder if there are any pending feedback requests to be acted upon. When you receive a feedback request, it'll be stored in this section. You can then either choose to accept it or reject it. Feedback received is where all the feedback that you have received is stored. The requested feedback can be found under the All Feedback menu on the left sidebar, which also contains all of the feedback in the account with options to filter what is shown. Thanks for watching.